Hey everyone, welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, we're going to learn how to adjust opacity in OBS step by step. This is a simple and effective way to customize the transparency of your scene elements. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any of our helpful tutorials. Step 1. Start by right-clicking on your scene in OBS. A menu will appear. Scroll down and select Filters. This will open a window where you can add and modify different filters for your scene. Step 2. In the Filters window, click the plus button at the bottom left corner. From the list of options, select Color Correction and give it a name if you like. Then hit OK to apply it. Step 3. Now it's time to adjust the opacity. In the Color Correction settings, locate the Opacity slider. You can either drag the bar to your desired level, type in a specific number, or use the up and down arrows for precise adjustments. Play around with the settings until the transparency looks just right for your project. And that's it! With just a few clicks, you can easily adjust the opacity of your scene elements using OBS. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.